Are you tired of switching back and forth between ChatGPT and Notion, wondering which one actually makes you more productive? Today we are settling the debate once and for all by comparing Notion AI and ChatGPT specifically for note-taking. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool deserves a spot in your daily workflow. Let us start with ChatGPT, the pioneer of conversational AI. ChatGPT is fantastic when you want to brainstorm, explain complex concepts, or generate brand new ideas from scratch. When you are taking notes during a lecture or a meeting, you can simply paste a messy transcript into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize the key takeaways or create a study guide. The downside is that ChatGPT lives in its own chat window. Once you get your notes, you have to manually copy and paste them into your actual note-taking app, which breaks your focus and creates extra work. Now let us look at Notion AI, which takes a completely different approach by living directly inside your workspace. Notion is already a database where you store your projects, journals, and documents. With Notion AI built right into the page, you do not need to copy and paste anything. You can highlight your notes and instantly ask the AI to translate them, fix your grammar, write action items, or continue writing based on your personal writing style. Notion AI connects all your notes together, meaning it can answer questions across your entire workspace, acting like a second brain that truly understands your specific projects and life. So how do you choose?